Create your custom logo neon sign in just a few simple steps. Start by choosing your sign type, neon signs or flow-mo signs. Upload your artwork or existing logo to get started instantly, or simply enter your text and choose from professional fonts. Choose your neon color to match your brand identity perfectly. Pick the ideal size from small to supersized or enter custom dimensions. Customize your acrylic backboard shape for the perfect finish. Select your power adapter based on your region. Add mounting options, dimmers, and waterproof upgrades if needed. Get instant pricing and review your custom design before ordering. Place your order and we'll turn your logo into a glowing neon sign.